Alright, we're going to go ahead and go through and make the timing knob. The timing knob, it looks a little bit goofy. It's got this weird arc thing going on here, and it looks like it's curved, and when we look at our numbers, it doesn't seem like that information is there. We just kind of got this arrow pointing to this and things like that, but this is because of the way the isometric is viewed. It's really not that difficult. So we're going to use a revolve. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take the profile, so we're going to kind of use this plane right here. We're going to draw that profile, and then we're going to spin it around. It's basically just going to take one quick step on that and then draw the hole. So let's go ahead and get started. So to do this, I've got my onshape file open. I've created a new tab. Here's one we did the other day. And I'm going to create a new sketch on my front view. For this, I'm going to use these diameters, right? So I've got 3 diameters, and I'm going to draw half of them. So I'm going to use onshape to take that diameter and cut it in half. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw my basic shape. So I'm going to start off with my line. This is the front of my object. I'm going to create an arc that goes like that. So I'm going to restart my line command and draw one that goes like this. Kind of goes up in the back at an angle. And then I'll hit my arc. I'll draw my arc. So basically, I'll just show you real quick. If we finish this sketch, my revolve command is up through here. So here I have my extrude we've been using. I have revolve, I have sweep, I have loft, and then I have thicken. So we're going to revolve this, and it wants the face and the axis. So you can kind of see, right? Here's what we're making. And so when I go to that isometric view here, you can kind of see that curve, like what's on the part here, right? So we're in the right shape. Remember, sometimes it doesn't always look right, but we're going in the right direction here. So I'm going to just complete that and go back because it doesn't really matter. All right, so now I'm going to add my dimensions in. So my dimensions here, this first one has a diameter of 0.563. So remember, onshape can do the math for us. So I've hit D for dimension. I'm clicking on this, and this has a diameter of 0.563, but we want the radius, so I'm going to do divided by 2. Okay. This one was 1 inch, so I click between the 2 dots. That's 1 inch, or 0.5. And then the one on the back was 0.75. So again, I can do this, and if I don't know what 0.75 divided by 2 is, we do 0.75 divided by 2. Okay, so then I just need my length. So the length from the front edge to here is 0.688. So from this dot to the front line, 0.688. And then from the back, 0.938. All right, and then the last thing I need is that radius, so 1.190. And this is giving me a radius, so I don't have to do any math. 1.19. There. Everything turns black. I finish my sketch. Right, there's my isometric feature. And then I go through, put a sketch on the front. I can either use a hole or I can draw a circle. This is the diameter, and this little symbol right here is for depth, so it goes down 0.438. So I'm just going to create a circle on the front, dimension that to 0.25, and then extrude that down. Right, so I can make sure I'm going to remove, and that measurement was 0.438. And that's it. That's all there is to it.